In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save notes on your iPhone without using iCloud. Whether you're looking to keep your notes private, manage them locally on your device, or simply prefer not to use cloud services, this guide will walk you through the process in a few easy steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to adjust some settings on your iPhone to enable the local storage option for your notes. Begin by unlocking your iPhone and heading to the Settings app. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labelled Apps. Tap on it and then look for the app titled Notes. These steps will lead us to where we can customize how the Notes app functions on your iPhone. Within the Notes settings, you'll see an option labelled My iPhone Account. This is the critical feature we'll be enabling to ensure your notes are stored locally on the device rather than being synced with iCloud. Go ahead and toggle this option to on. By doing this, you're setting up a separate space on your iPhone where notes can be stored solely on the device. Now that your settings are configured, let's move to the Notes app itself. Navigate back to your home screen and find the Notes app. Once you are in the app, look for the option that says Folders, typically located in the top left corner of the screen. This menu is where you'll determine the location of your new notes. Tap on Folders and you'll see your available folders. One of these should say On My iPhone. This folder will be dedicated to storing notes exclusively on your iPhone. To create a new note that will remain on your device, tap on My iPhone. Once you're in this folder, look for the icon or button that allows you to start a new note. This is typically represented by a square with a pencil. Tap it and start typing your new note. It's important to note that because we chose this specific folder, the note you just created will only exist on your device and won't be uploaded to iCloud. All the notes you save under On My iPhone stay just there, on your iPhone. They aren't shared with the cloud, maintaining your privacy and conserving your iCloud storage if that's a concern. This approach is perfect for those notes you might not want to be accessible from anywhere other than your own device. Just remember, if something happens to your phone, these notes won't be backed up online, so keep that in mind when deciding what to store locally. And there you have it, just a few simple steps to keep your notes local and off of iCloud. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips.